Okay, so it's been 2 months. OnePlus 8 series haven't got any kind of update from OnePlus, and now it's time to try out custom ROMs on OnePlus 8 series. Not sure what's wrong with OnePlus. OnePlus 8 series is still running July security patch. But as you all know, Google recently rolled out Android 12 Beta 4 for Pixel devices. And soon after that, Jay have come up with a new port which is of Android 12 Beta 4, and this time this port is also available for OnePlus 8T. And also guys, make sure to follow Jay on his Telegram group. With Beta 4, they did not do much of additions. Few optimizations have been done related to system and UI. On this particular port, you won't find any camera application installed. I'll leave a APK in the description below. Just download that file and install it manually. Later you're good to go. And also don't expect alert slider and fingerprint scanner to be working fine on this Android 12 port. As said, Google haven't done any kind of major additions to Android 12 Beta 4. But there are few minor changes. So let's take a look at them. And the first thing what you'll notice is now we have the new Easter egg on Android 12. Once you take the clock to 12 o'clock, you'll see a nice animation which says Android 12. And the build number of Android 12 Beta 4 is SPB4, which comes with 5th August 2021 security patch. After that, another minor change which you're gonna see, Google introduced this new feature of themed icon, but now in front of this theme icon, you can see it's written beta. Themed icon feature doesn't support third-party applications, so it's still in beta stage. But stock Google apps do support this feature. And another change what you guys gonna notice is with this Google icon in the Google search bar. This also adapts to the same color depending on the color scheme. Also, not everyone liked the removal of network indicator from the status bar, but on Beta 4, Google is back with this network indicator in the status bar. Along with that, they have also added the Wi-Fi toggle, which was missing on the previous builds. Few minor tweaks have also been done in the settings panel. And as you guys are aware about the new addition of URL sharing directly from the recents panel, which was added on the previous beta. So if you're watching any videos, you get this URL icon. Tapping on it will give you options to copy or share. But now on Beta 4, Google have also added this share feature for photos also. So if you see any photo in the recents panel, you'll get this icon. Tapping on it will give you options like lens, copy, share, save. On Beta 3, URL sharing wasn't being supported by websites, but now that's not the case anymore on Beta 4. And now at last on Beta 4, game dashboard is fully usable. But still, we don't have the support of optimization. Rest everything is working fine, like screenshot shortcut, screen recording, FPS, and do not disturb mode. And also you guys let me know in the comment section below, what do you feel about this game dashboard edition on Android 12? And if you're already running Android 12, how many of you uses this feature while gaming? So guys, this was the quick look on Android 12 port for OnePlus 8 series. If I have missed out any new feature which have been added on Android 12, then do let me know in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the installation guide. To install Android 12 on OnePlus 8 series, first make sure your device bootloader is unlocked and you should be running latest open beta. Either it is 11 or 12. After that you need a PC on which you'll require these two zip files. One is this Android 12 Beta 4 and the second one is support package. This consists of vendor, and for OnePlus 8T also we have a different support package. To flash Android 12 Beta 4, main requirement is this file, and after that other two support files consist of vendor. And currently we are only using Beta 3.1 vendor. So once you extract these two zip files from the support package, you need to copy vendor and paste it inside the main files of Android 12 Beta 4. After that, boot your device into fast boot mode. Once your device boots into fast boot mode, you just need to double click on this file, which is flasher file. Double click on this and the installation process will automatically start. Once it's completed, device will boot into system and the entire installation process might take around 4 to 5 minutes. And there we go. We have successfully installed Android 12 Beta 4 on our OnePlus 8. We'll wait for the device to boot up. And here you can see we are now into system. So guys, this way you can install Android 12 on your OnePlus 8 series. If you guys still face any kind of issues, then let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.